Hello everyone, good evening. Already in previous video, we had a discussion of adding bookmark and how to use the added bookmark onto the web browser. So again in this video, practically I am going to show how to use or how to add bookmark onto the web browser. See here, select the web browser, that is Google Chrome. Double click on the web browser, Google Chrome. Once it open, select any one of the website we want to add into the bookmark. So here, for example, here I am going to add the website is www.amazon.com. Amazon.com. See, this is the particular website name. Click on that, enter. As soon as I click onto the Amazon.com, now the website of Amazon is going to be appear onto the computer screen. Now I am going to add this website onto my bookmarks. See, on address bar there is a star symbol. Click on to the star. As soon as we click on to the star, bookmark added, and name it will display here Amazon.com spend less smile more. So we can also change the bookmark name also. So you can give whatever you want here. Here I am going to give Amazon. Once I give the name of the bookmark, then here there is a folder. See, as we discussed in the previous videos, here we are going to select some different types of folders. So here I am going to click select as bookmarks bar. So select bookmarks bar. This is depending on your means where we want to save. There we have to select the folder name, and after selecting, just click on done. Once you click on done, it is going to be added onto the bookmark. You can check now. See, after adding the particular website onto the bookmark, how can we check our bookmarks? See, totally close the web browser what you have opened onto the screen. Come back onto the desktop. Once you come back onto the desktop, once again launch Google Chrome, double click. Then once you launch, again an address bar. An address bar there is a star. If it is less bookmarks below the address bar, it is going to display. If not, there is a one arrow here, hide bookmarks will be there. That means hidden bookmarks. Click on that. See, usually I have added so many bookmarks under my web browser, so that it is going to display as hidden bookmarks. Or else there is one more option. See, here there is a hidden bookmark, or else there is one more option, all bookmarks. Here if I click on to the all bookmarks, below the address bar, if I click on to the all bookmarks, whatever the bookmarks I have made here, it is going to display here. Or else the hidden bookmarks, see under hidden bookmarks, whatever the website I have bookmarked, it is going to display here. See, Amazon is here. Simply if I click on that, the Amazon website is going to be open on my screen. See, in this way we can add bookmarks, and also we can rename them, rename the bookmark, and also we can open and we can use bookmarks onto the web browsers. I hope in this video you have understood clearly how we are going to add bookmarks and how to use bookmarks, and also we can see, I'll show how to delete or how to remove bookmark also. See, simply click onto the star. Sorry, here again we have to come back from the web browser. Just go back, launch Google Chrome, then select hidden bookmark or all bookmark, and right click on the bookmark whatever you want to delete or whichever you want to delete. Right click, and under right click there is an option delete. Once I click on delete, the bookmark is going to be removed or deleted from the web browsers. Now you can't use that particular website under the shortcut. Again you have to search from the search from the particular address by giving the address bar. See, if we search, the Amazon will not be there in the list of bookmarks what we have added. So in this way, we are going to add, delete and remove and rename the bookmark onto the web browsers. I hope you have understood very clearly to use bookmarks by after watching this video. Thank you.